Aerialoop is a company that was born to tackle the middle mile delivery with drones. We think of ourselves not only as a drone operator or a drone company, we're more like thinking as an airline. We want to implement all these processes and getting all this knowledge from the industry to get a new layer of logistics in the skies. What we are solving is connecting areas in cities and trying to be much more urban integrated into cities like Detroit. We are reaching now close to 30,000 flights, in which we have gained a lot of experience developing the systems, the safety, all the case scenarios that we have built around our drones. So the current pilot that we are flying at the moment has one main customer, that is Beacon Labs.
Beacon is a contract manufacturing company that is an extension of the Bloom network that provides contract manufacturing services for hardware and startup companies. Things like the e-bike space, manufacturing spaces where we can help hardware companies start up and grow and be rooted in Detroit.
They have two locations. So right now we're at the location at the Newlab building in the rooftop platform. And then they have a warehouse location that is over the train tracks about half a mile away from the building.
So we may have team members that need to interface or exchange things just like hardware, tools, things like that. And so we have a challenge of trying to run those between the two locations. So our box that sits on our shelf, we fill up that box. It fits right in the belly of the drone, flies down here within 4 to 5 minutes and gets delivered right to the spot that we want it to.
The idea is that we have an open channel of flights between one side and the other. And then the drone itself is being flown autonomously based on a pre-planned mission.
Using Aerialoop, it allows us to remove the disruption of the drive and keep the team pointed on the work that they're best at and serves our customer base well. There's the newness and the coolness factor to it, but the convenience factor is absolutely unbeatable. Everything about it makes our team happy.
From all the places that we have had operations from the past 3 or 4 years, I think Newlab and Michigan Central is one of the most unique. For us as operators, also having this open platform to come here and test is super beneficial for us because we don't have to invest in a lot of the technology, a lot of the ground resources. Then we can come here and test and integrate to the technology that we know is then going to be replicated. That's the whole thing about it, is that we can then replicate what we have tested here into bigger operations.
The Advanced Aerial Innovation Region is a partnership between Michigan Central, the state of Michigan, Newlab, and Airspace Link, designed as part of Michigan Central's 30-acre tech and cultural hub to enable startups to come and develop their drone technology here.
There is such a big opportunity of looking at the sky as the next dimension of how we will move people, how we will move goods, how we will move information. This is really a dialogue of transition, really thinking about how we're activating not only the automotive sector, the maritime and marine spaces, but also aviation and advanced air mobility. So all of these parts and pieces build a strong ecosystem and also welcomes companies from all around the world to be here in Michigan.
For me, the dream in 10 years or 5 years from now is like looking out of the window and seeing drones in the sky as we see planes out of an airport, all being safely operated or being safely monitored, completing missions or tasks that were not there before. So it's, for me, the goal or the dream is having this whole integration into people's lives.